Hi everyone, Paul from the Barbecue Guy. I just wanted to show you the Hark-Big-Boss smoker. This is my favourite smoker to use for large overnight cooks. The reason for that being is with the gas temperature control, I can cook all night and have to get up maybe once throughout the night just to double check the water. Other than that, it is extremely simple to use. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on how I set it up and also show you a little bit more about the smoker. So the smoker itself, 3 latches on the side, 3 very large trays. In this smoker, I have cooked over 70 kilos of meat at one time overnight, and all I had to do during that night was I got up once to check the water. Top, we've got a airflow control vent, got 2 vents on the side, total of 5 shelves. At the top there's also hooks to hang sausages from. I add this to it here because the water pan is relatively small. There's heaps of cooking room in there, so losing one shelf isn't much of an issue. There's the standard water pan. You need to check that sort of every hour and a half to 2 hours if you're going to use just that. Here is the tray for the wood chips or wood chunks I use. Still some, as you can see, leftover wood chunks there from the last one. Never burns all of them. It's got 2 temperature control gas flows. It's a dual burner gas smoker, and it's an automatic ignition, so you don't actually need to put a barbecue lighter in there and light it. Turn the knob and you'll hear the click, and then hold it down and then it'll light up. Literally all you do then is you close the door, make sure you've got water in there, your wood chunks in there ready to go. Close the door and within about 10-15 minutes it'll be ready to use. Comes up to temperature really quickly. Another beauty of gas smokers is that. Other than that, I think for $650 you can't really go past this smoker. It's probably one of my favourite smokers in the Hark range, purely because of the size of the brisket you can get in there. I've cooked 8 kilo briskets in there with ease, 1 on each shelf, very comfortably. As you can see, nice clean looking smoker, very compact. It's only probably a bit over 1 metre wide from handle to handle, and stands at probably about 1.4 metres high. Weighs about 60 kilos, give or take. In the box, out of the box it weighs probably 45, 50 kilos. So probably wouldn't weigh 60 kilos in the box. I can move it around by myself. I advise that a 2-person lift, there's a handle on either side. The handles on the front of the doors don't get hot at all with those springs on there. Other than that, for $650 through our website, it's a very good buy, great entry-level smoker, especially if you're cooking for large volumes of people, 30 or more people. I've cooked up to 100 people in this smoker and done it very easily. Rightio, have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks.